700 में कर रही हूँ। बोलिए।
एक Good morning, friends. I am at the office of Mr. Zayed Khan. He is a rock star of Bandra, according to me. And Madam Femita ji, both of them are doing a wonderful job in Bandra. Once upon a time, when you talked about medical help, the one thing that always came to mind, because of the celebrity status and because of film world or whatever you call it, was Salman Khan, being human. Everybody used to line up at Bandstand, and I have been a walker at Bandstand for a very long time. But I will tell you one thing. Since the lockdown from March 2020, the people that used to stand there are no more standing. They all started shifting their base and they started coming to Swabhiman office at Bandra. The reason being that Mr. Zayed Khan and Madam, both of them, they had a human touch. And you want to know the proof, or you want to know, there are so many people they have helped, nameless people, faceless people, but there is one face that you will never ever forget, that is Feroz Shakir. Zayed Khan Saab saw that I was going through a very bad time. My film line had stopped completely, and he did everything for me. He got my blood test done. Thank you, Zoya. Thank you, Arshi. He got my blood test done. He got my stress test done. He got my Doppler done, all at his expense. And then finally it happened that I had 4 blocks of 99%. And both of them together, I don't know, they had pity on me or what, but they,
love for you.
Yeah, love, that is the thing. And Zayed Bhai and I know him, his mother, she is such a beautiful human being. Whenever I meet her, she would always say, मेरे बेटे के लिए दुआ मांगना, आप इतनी दरगाहों पे जाते हैं. मैं बोला, इनकी माँ को कहता था, इनकी वालदा को, कि सबसे बड़ी दरगाह तो आप ही हो. आप अपने बेटे के लिए जो दुआ मांगोगे, मैं तो जिंदगी में नहीं मांग सकता. So now I have spoken a lot about myself. Zoya, thank you. Zoya, you must come over to the office and meet. Zoya is the first transgender.
अच्छा.
She was a transgender. She used to beg in the trains. Then she learned photography. She got inspired by me. And today she is the first woman transgender. You know, the migrants had come to over there at Bandra station.
She's listening to us.
Huh? Yeah.
Hello Zoya, how are you?
Hi Sohail. Okay. Now I'll take you, and now I'm speaking to Zayed Bhai. Okay, sir, Zayed Bhai, I will ask you a few things. I'm not a regular interviewer. I'm not from the media. What made you, forget your political affiliation with BJP or with the Swabhiman or anything, but there is something within you. What made you go and help these people? This is what I want to ask you. The first question is, what made you? There must be something in your life, some tragedy you must have seen, I think so, that must have made you help people. What is that?
हम लोगों ने देखा है कि कई लोग मेडिकल में जब बीमार होते हैं, तो ऐसी एक फैमिली को मैं देखा था आज से 2008 के अंदर कि उसके फादर का किडनी फेल हो गया और दे रिक्वायर्ड लॉट ऑफ मनी फॉर किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट. तो पूरा का पूरा फैमिली को उस ट्रांसप्लांट में पैसा खर्चा करते हुए देखा. जो घर था घर बेच दिया, घर बेच के फिर रेंट पे रहने लगा. रेंट पे रहने के बाद जो किडनी उसके फादर को जो डोनेट किया है मदर ने, मतलब वो किडनी भी फेल हो गया.
अरे बाप.
सो पूरा किडनी फेल, दोनों का किडनी फेल हुआ, पैसा खर्चा हुआ, फैमिली पूरा यहाँ से वहाँ बिखर गया. तो वो हम लोगों ने हमारी आंखों से देखा. वो एक चीज जो देख के दिल को लगा कि अगर कोई काम करना है, अगर सच्चा समाज सेवा बनना है, तो मेडिकल के अंदर बनना चाहिए. क्योंकि लोग तो गटर का काम, टॉयलेट का काम, असेंबली का काम, ये तो गवर्नमेंट का फंड होता है, उस फंड से लोग करते हैं, वो अपना नाम करते. मेडिकल में आज तक मैंने जब से होश संभाला हूँ, मैंने किसी को मेडिकल के अंदर कभी उतरते हुए देखा नहीं. किसी की मदद करते हुए देखा नहीं। तो वही एक चीज थी जो दिल को छुई कि नहीं, अगर काम करना है, वाकई सच्चा समाज सेवक बनना है तो मेडिकल पे करना है और लोगों की ऐसे वक्त पर मदद करना है जब इंसान भगवान को याद करता है।
सही है।
वही एक चीज है, जब अगर किसी को बीमारी हो जाए तो उस वक्त वो सिर्फ अपने परिवार को भी याद नहीं करता, वो भगवान को याद करता है।
सही है।
और इसलिए याद करता है उसको, या तो ये लगता है या मैं अच्छा हो जाऊंगा या फिर मैं ऊपर चला जाऊंगा।
सही है।
तो जो भी मैंने गुनाह किया हो, भगवान मुझे माफ कर देना, मुझे जल्द से जल्द अच्छा कर दे। तो उस वक्त पर हम जैसे लोगों को अल्लाह ने, भगवान ने हमें खड़ा किया है। ये बहुत बड़ा भगवान का शुक्र है, अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि अल्लाह ने हमको इस काम के लिए चुना है और इस काम के लिए हमको लोगों के लिए खड़ा किया है।
All my friends that are watching this video live Instagram, I thank you all. And I'm not keeping good health since yesterday. But today I came to see Zahid. I will never forget Zahid bhai for one reason. Whenever I complete a month after my bypass surgery, I come and pay my salams to him.
Right.
This is my 7th month of bypass surgery. It's taking a long time to heal because of my age and because of my diabetes and because of my other affiliated problems. But both of them, Fahmida ji, I have been knowing Fahmida ji, she used to visit the Dargah, Maim Dargah, but we didn't interact much. And then she's been working with him, and together she adds the woman touch to the people that come here, and especially women from the Muslim community. They are more at home with another woman, you know. Whereas Zahid, of course, Zahid bhai, they all consider him like a brother, and the younger ones consider him like uncle. But he, in Bandra, let me tell you today, in Bandra, if anyone has done something and is doing something, is Zahid Khan of Swabiman. Amazing work he has done. And one more thing I tell you about him. His left hand does not know what his right hand is doing. A lot of people, I have lots of friends in political parties. He is also from a political affiliation. But if you see his Twitter, or you see his other social media, he will never ever write about himself. He writes about others who got cured, who helped, so that others will come through that thing. But he has never said, I have done this, or my party has done this. He has never included his party at all. He has kept that part of his political heritage separate and the medical aid separate. Am I right, ma'am? Yeah, so this is the thing. And today, I came here to meet him. My wife has taken a first jab at Lilavati Hospital. Now the second jab, they are making a run around. They told her at St. Martin's Road to come at 5 in the morning. And she's a 50 plus, and she's got diabetes. Even my son had a lot of problem, but then anyway I got it done through Ashish Shelarji. So this is it. Baki sir, what are your future plans? Why don't you, with the help of your friends and all, build a hospital also? A hospital that will be different. I will tell you a small thing, if you don't mind me saying it. I visit a lot of dargahs, and there is this dargah I would like to tell you about. It's at Parel called Ismail Shah Baba ki dargah. At that dargah, I was shocked, that I saw a lot of patients and also. I asked them, ye kya hai? To bole, in log yahan reh rahe hain. So the dargah has been renovated, and the top portion they have given to Tata Hospital people. They have not given it to them. The Tata Hospital patients can live there, and you will not believe it. It is 50 rupees for 3 times meal and stay in dormitory system. तो उनके साथ एक केयरटेकर है, वो भी नहीं, हाँ, कैंसर पेशेंट्स ओनली. सो उस वक्त ना मैंने एक बात कही, आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे, मेरे दिल से निकली. मैंने कहा ये अक्षय कुमार, शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, ये बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर, इन्हीं ने सब कुछ किया होगा लाइफ में. पैसा दे दिया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर केयर, इधर उधर जहाँ भी है, लेकिन इन्हीं ने कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि चलो एक हॉस्पिटल ऐसा बनाए ना बॉलीवुड के नाम पे कि लोग याद करें. ऐसी इमारत बनाए, नॉट ताजमहल. But none of them. If they do something, it is to make a dancing school. But for their personal, sorry to say it, but none of the actors, none of these celebrities have ever done a hospital where people can really go. You know what I mean? Not a municipal hospital, but a hospital that can be taken care. And every film they do, they keep a certain amount for that running of that hospital award. What is your view on this? You think a hospital like that can be possible? I'm living in a world of dreams.
नहीं देखिए कैसा है, ये तो कोई एक आदमी तो कोई नहीं कर सकता है।
नहीं करेगा।
किसी एक आदमी पे तो इतना से होता, जिस तरह आपने बोला है, जिस तरह आपकी सोच है, उसी तरह मुझे लगता है हर कोई बड़े आदमी को उस तरह सोचना है, हर पॉलिटिकल आदमी को उस तरह सोचना चाहिए कि मैं मेरे क्षेत्र का एमएलए हूँ, असेंबली का एमएलए हूँ, तो मुझे एक हॉस्पिटल मेरे इलाके में ऐसा खोलना चाहिए जहाँ लोग फ्री में इलाज कर सके, फ्री में रह सके। अगर मुंबई के 36 एमएलए 36 एमएलए, अगर मुंबई के 36 एमएलए 36 की सोच उसी तरह हो जाती कि एक तरफ पार्टी छोड़ दो, हमारा बैकग्राउंड छोड़ दो, हम कौन से बैकग्राउंड से आए, कौन से, बट वी आर इन द सिस्टम, और हमको लोगों को किस तरह हेल्प करना है, और उसी तरह हर एक की सोच अगर जिस तरह आप सोच रहे अगर हो तो ये मे भी पॉसिबल है।
सर क्या है ना, मैं आपसे एक बात बताऊं, बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल है, धीरू भाई अंबानी, सैफी हॉस्पिटल, अब दिस इज नॉट फॉर अस। आई मीन
आज की तारीख में तो हॉस्पिटल कमाने का जरिया हो गया ना, वेरी
नहीं, बट आई एम सेइंग दीस हॉस्पिटल्स, आई मीन आप बताइए ना, इतना बड़ा हॉस्पिटल में भी तो मौत आती है कि नहीं आती है? यू नो श्रावण जी, my son was in SL Raheja hospital. He paid a solid bill. I had no money at all, you know, because you helped me for my operation. I told my son, and you won't believe it, he had a medical claim, so he paid a huge bill. He came out. This is before this main thing happened. But my customer was Mr. Shravan, Nadeem Shravan, and you won't believe it. He and his wife, they went to Hardwar Kumbh. There was no need to go, and both of them got infected, and he died. So what I'm saying is that it's not necessary you go to a hospital. I mean Milka Singh साहब भी गए 2 बार और फिर खत्म हो गए. तो it is all this virus, not much study has been done on it. Time gap is very small. But what you are finally coming back, I don't want to get into politics and all that, but what you are doing is amazing. I wish you the very best and keep up your good work. And आप यकीन मानिए कि लोगों की दिल की दुआएं हैं ना जो आपको जिंदगी में, हाँ बस, थैंक यू वेरी मच माय फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू. सो यू मेट जाहिद खान साहब, an amazing personality of Bandra, and lot of people, I must tell you now, are very jealous of him because he's a very young guy, and they are scared of his personality because he doesn't wear a Rolex watch, and you know he doesn't have a Lamborghini or whatever you call it. He's a normal guy. He walks from his office to home. I mean, he's down to earth, and I am really proud that I have a good friend in him. And I know one thing: in case I fall down and I die, he will be the first guy to come to see me. Thank you.